Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Now let's say you have entered a list of dates into your document, and when you try to autofill them by dragging the plus sign from the corner of a cell, Excel gives you a strange value. And why is that happening? Well, it's because the dates you have typed are not in date format, they are in text format instead. But don't worry, fixing it is really easy. Let me show you how to convert this text dates into a proper date format. First, select the cell or the range of cells where you have the dates that aren't working properly. Once you have selected the cells, go to the Data tab at the top of the screen. Under the Data Tools section, you'll see an option called Text to Columns. Click on Text to Columns. Don't worry, it's safe and it won't erase any of your data. A window will pop up asking how to proceed. Click Next on the first screen, then click Next again, and then once more on the next screen until you get to the part where you need to define the format. Now on the final screen, you will see an option called Date under the Column Data Format section. Make sure to select Date and then choose your preferred date format, for example month, day, year, or day, month, year, etc. Once you have selected your format, click Finish. Boom, just like that, your text dates are now in proper date format. You can now go ahead and use the autofill feature by dragging the corner of the cell, and Excel will correctly fill in sequential dates for you. How easy was that? And that's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.